In this episode of There's a Noise in My Car, we delve into the dark mysteries of automotive ownership.
When I put my car into gear, it has a big clunk.
Wow, that's a drivetrain issue. Somewhere there's something getting loose or sloppy. Your car may run for a long time without letting you down, but then again, stop by Burnett Automotive and let us diagnose your personal clunk. We'll give you our assessment and let you determine what's best for you, your wallet, and your car.
Click the link to follow us to see the next episode of There's a Noise in My Car.